Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope everything is going great with you all, and I'm back with yet another tutorial, and this time I will be showing you this look here which I created for the yellow thin Navratri look. This I created because sometimes we get bored of wearing traditional wears a lot, so here is the twist, the western look but with a hint of tradition in it. So if you want to know how I created this, then keep on watching. As you can see, I have already done with my base makeup, and we will directly start with the eye makeup. And for that, here I am using the concealer from Maybelline, that is the eye eraser concealer, and applying it all over my eyelids and blending it with my wet beauty blender. And to set the concealer, here I am using the REMEL Stemmed powder in the shade MOHAIR and applying it with the same wet beauty blender. I literally use my wet beauty blender a lot, almost for everything. Now by taking the color Odd from the palette Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and with the help of angled brush, I am here drawing the crease line just above my actual crease, and with the light strokes and just extending it towards the end of my eyebrow. And be patient while drawing this line. Here with the help of smudging brush, I am smudging out the eyeshadow in the upper direction so that it won't look harsh. And now with the help of same brush and concealer, I am going to clean the eyelids where I want to apply the yellow eyeshadow. The eyelids are clean, but as I want more precise cut crease and I want the yellow eyeshadow to pop out, that's why I'm doing this technique once again. To apply the eyeshadow all over my eyelid, I'm using here the palette Lemonade Craze from Maybelline, and I'm gonna apply the color Lemonade Craze with the help of eyeshadow brush. And I'm gonna reapply the eyeshadow until and unless I get the desired intensity of the color. For the liner, here I'm using the black gel liner from L'Oreal, and I'm applying it with the same brush it comes with. And I'm applying a wing liner, a long wing liner, till the end of the arch that we created as the crease line. And here I'm extending the liner into my crease line as well, and I was very much afraid while drawing this crease line, as this was my first time to do such kind of eye look, but I enjoyed creating this and it looks trendy as well. By taking the Odd color from the palette Huda Beauty Desert Dusk with the angled brush, here I am smudging out the black eyeliner that we applied just to make it more neat and clean. And now I am applying the mascara in both my upper and lower lash line, and the mascara I am using is from Maybelline, that is the Hypercurl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. And I am applying just a single coat of mascara, as I will be applying the falsies, and the falsies I am using is from Pro Art 003. So I am back here after applying my falsies, and I am using the same black gel eyeliner from L'Oreal to tightline my lower waterline and smudging it out with my smudge brush, and taking the color Odd from the palette Huda Beauty Desert Dusk just to make it look smoky. For the blush, here I am using the stick from Chambord, and it's in the shade Crimson, and I am applying it right on the apples of my cheeks. As it is in the stick form, it takes some time to get blended, but after blending it looks awesome. For the highlighter, here I am using the Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline in the shade Molten Rose Gold. I am applying it on the cheekbones, under my brow bones, my chin, my cupid's bow, tip of my nose and bridge of my nose. And with the help of a smaller brush, the same highlighter goes into my tear duct area as well. Here I am applying the pink lip liner all over my lip, as I want to apply the pink lipstick to keep my lipstick longer. And the liquid lipstick I am using is from Chambord in the shade 431. So here is the final look for the modern Navratri Garba look, but still you can feel that traditional vibes in it. So yeah, this is it for the yellow theme Navratri Garba look with the tradition touch. If you like the video, if you like the look, then please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get the notifications of my new videos. You can also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook, and the links I will be giving in the description box below, so do check it. And yes, see you till next time. Bye.